Ain't it a great feeling when you walk in the office this morning and you find tools that have finally arrived, tools that you ordered like 3 weeks ago? This 20 ton air hydraulic jack finally showed up. Packaging isn't in the best shape, but hey, I wouldn't expect anything less from FedEx. Well, we can't go to the field without my trusty leaf blower. You want something that makes life easier if you own a combine? Electric leaf blower. Don't mess around with air compressors or gas-powered leaf blowers. Electric leaf blower. I can't recommend them highly enough. We're going on year 5 with this one. I can blow off a combine with a single charge. Plus it's light and works really well in dusty conditions. No worrying about getting the carburetor choked up or anything like that. You know what I like about technology? It really enables lazy people like me. Watch. Close sesame. How great is that? And I thought summer was over with. You can just see the humidity hanging in the air. That hurricane is really pushing a lot of moisture up this way. You kind of see the outer bands coming in here. All right, we got everything serviced and fueled up and ready to go. However, we're going to have to drop the header to get to the next field. We got to go down there, and that is not going to go down that with a header on. So we got to drop the header on our trailer to get over here to the next field. Time to try it out. It's still damp out here, but it ain't gonna dry out anytime soon, so we'll see how many piles we can get pushed up. Oh boy, it's growling and thumping. There's literally no dust coming from the back of my combine. It's damp this morning. You see all those different colored soybeans out there? We're going to have what Kelly likes to say, fun with flags day. It's test plot day. We got about, I think 32 or 33 different varieties out here. We do variety trial plots with the University of Tennessee and Pioneer Seeds, and we got both their plots out here side by side. So I really won't get these out for the hurricane. It's really too wet to cut today, but these plots take a lot of time, so sure it'd be nice if we can go ahead and get them knocked out. That way when it dries back up after the remnants of Hurricane Delta get up here, we can blow and go and get the rest of our beans hopefully knocked out pretty quick. See all the different varieties out there. Oh, look what I found. This is my favorite water jug that I lost about a month ago when I was out here chopping pigweeds. Woo! I'm glad to have it back again. Yep, Fun with flags, as Kelly would say. Here we go. They gotta make these way wagons so small. Alright, that's got the test plots wrapped up. Only got like 4 acres left in this field. I think we're gonna try and cut the rest of it. Probably gonna shut it down. Know where we're getting the places where the stems are still really green, we're getting pretty high losses because the seed just can't get. It's not getting released from the residue as it goes through the rotor, so we'll try and go real slow through those areas, give the soybeans plenty of time to separate out. So that's the end of this field. Guess we're gonna shut off now. Beans still wet, rain's just about here, so we're gonna get the combine blown off and head on in and call it a day. I wanna wall the combine real quick here, and then I'll ride in with you. I'm gonna send Kelly on to Humboldt to get those 2 barrels of depth, put them in the service truck there. This is like the worst job on the farm whatsoever. Those 2 drums of death ought to be in by now.
Did you even call the check though?
He said it'd be in Friday.
I'm not running all the way up there unless they're there.
Well, then call over there and find out.
I want you to cover the thing or not.
Is it empty? I don't know about that or anything. Well, heading in with the last load of the day. Didn't get very many acres covered, got about 20 acres covered, but majority of them involved about 33, 34 test plots, so definitely glad to get that knocked out of the way, so whenever it dries back up, we can get after it real hard.
Got it at about half capacity of what I normally unload at. We're at the top max amperage.
You added up how many bushels we got in there so far?
We got right at 6,000 bushels so far. And the bean quality overall, I mean, even though they're still wet, there's some real good looking beans.
There's a whole lot of butter beans in there though. Let's check here in the bin, see what it looks like. Here in this fan, I think it's just a spot of mount here that needs to be, has some pressure put on it. We'll get that tightened up. How many bushels you probably got?
5,500 bushels after 6 loads.
5,500 divided by, I think we're down 78 acres. 70 and a half bushels. I'll take that. All right, well, I guess that's going to do it for this video. We'll see you in the next one after the hurricane moves through.